Are you evaluating HiBob as your next HRIS? In this comprehensive walkthrough, we will explain what the Bob platform does, who it's best for, how it's priced, what it integrates with, and how it compares to other HR systems. We will also address whether HiBob uses artificial intelligence, highlight key implementation considerations, and describe the most common pros and cons reported by users. Let's begin with a clear definition. HiBob is a modern, cloud-based HRIS designed to centralize people data and streamline HR operations for small to mid-sized organizations, as well as fast-growing mid-market companies. The platform is known for its employee-centric design and engagement features, which are particularly valuable for distributed or hybrid teams. In practice, HiBob consolidates a range of HR functions that often live across spreadsheets and disconnected tools. Its goal is to give HR, managers, and employees a unified, intuitive interface for everything from onboarding and time off to performance and engagement. A frequent question is whether HiBob uses AI. As of today, HiBob does not position itself primarily as an AI-driven HRIS. Instead, it focuses on configurable automation, templates, analytics, and workflows. You will see features such as automated approvals, reminders, policy-driven processes, and dashboard-style reporting. These capabilities help HR teams operate efficiently without requiring generative AI assistance. Many organizations that want AI features for recruiting, knowledge management, or help desk interactions pair HiBob with specialized tools through integrations. This balanced approach makes HiBob appealing to teams that prioritize reliability, usability, and continuous incremental product improvements. Now to the core capabilities. First, people data management. HiBob serves as the system of record for employee information, including profiles, roles, sites, departments, job hierarchies, and org charts. It supports document storage, electronic acknowledgements, and customizable fields to reflect your unique policies and processes. Second, onboarding and offboarding. You can design task lists, automate provisioning checklists, and sequence activities across HR, IT, and hiring managers. This became a standout strength for HiBob as remote work expanded and companies needed smoother new hire experiences. Third, time off, holidays, and attendance. HiBob allows flexible policy configurations by location, seniority, or employment type. Employees can request leave, managers can approve in-app, and calendars stay in sync across teams. Fourth, performance management and goals. You can run review cycles, 360 feedback, and calibrations, and align individual goals with team and company objectives. Talent review and compensation features support merit cycles, promotions, and pay adjustments with built-in workflows and approvals. Fifth, engagement and culture. HiBob emphasizes internal communications, celebrations, shoutouts, and survey tools. Pulse surveys and ENPS-style feedback help leaders understand sentiment and take action. This engagement layer, along with an intuitive employee experience, is a primary reason many companies pick HiBob over classic HRIS systems that feel more transactional. Analytics and reporting weave through all of these modules. HiBob provides dashboards and reports for headcount, attrition, demographics, time off, performance cycle outcomes, and compensation changes. You can segment by location, department, or other attributes. While reporting is robust for many SMB and mid-market teams, advanced analytics requirements may still call for exports to BI tools or a data warehouse via API. Integration is another key dimension. HiBob includes a payroll hub and integrates with leading payroll providers, applicant tracking systems, identity and SSO tools, collaboration suites, and other HR tech. The platform supports SSO and SCIM for identity, along with a developer-friendly API. This makes HiBob a strong hub for companies that run multi-country payroll through multiple providers or that prefer best-of-breed tooling around a central HRIS. Security and compliance are fundamental for any HRIS. HiBob implements role-based access controls, granular permissions, audit trails, and encryption in transit and at rest. You can configure who sees sensitive fields, which is essential for finance, HR, and line managers working with confidential records. For global teams, confirm data residency options, cross-border transfer mechanisms, and documentation such as DPAs and relevant certifications during due diligence. How is HiBob priced? HiBob typically uses a quote-based per employee per month model with modules and add-ons. Pricing varies by company size, selected features, and implementation scope. Expect volume-based discounts at larger headcounts, and budget for implementation and data migration services if your environment is complex. To assess total cost of ownership, consider what point solutions HiBob will consolidate, such as standalone performance tools, engagement survey platforms, or basic time-off trackers. Implementation timelines depend on your starting point. Companies moving from spreadsheets or lightweight systems can often deploy core HRIS and time-off in weeks, adding performance and compensation later. Larger organizations or global rollouts may take a few months, especially if they require deep integrations, complex permissioning, and historical data imports. The most successful projects appoint a cross-functional team, clean and normalize data early, pilot with a department or site, and phase advanced modules after go live. What do users like most? They frequently cite the clean user interface, ease of navigation for non-HR employees, flexible policies for global teams, and engagement features that help socialize company culture. HR teams appreciate the speed of building workflows, the clarity of org charts, and the ability to operationalize reviews and compensation cycles without heavy customization. Where do users ask for more? Advanced reporting, very deep edge case configurations, or fully native payroll in every country are common requests. In these scenarios, organizations maintain HiBob as the HRIS while connecting best-of-breed or regional systems for specialized needs. How does HiBob compare to alternatives? BambooHR is often considered for simplicity and cost, particularly for smaller teams. Rippling is attractive if you want tight connections between HR, IT, and device management. Personio is strong in Europe. Deel is compelling for global hiring and employer of record services. ADP, Paycor, UKG, Namely, and Paylocity cover various mixes of payroll and HCM. Enterprise suites like Workday deliver extensive capabilities but can exceed the needs and budgets of mid-market firms. Your best fit depends on global footprint, in-house payroll strategy, integration requirements, and the importance of engagement features to your culture. To decide if HiBob is right for you, list your top 5 HR processes to improve in the next 12 months, and rate how important engagement and employee experience are to adoption. Inventory current tools and overlap. Map where payroll runs today and where it may expand. Then, request a demo tailored to your org structure. Run a proof of concept for a review or compensation cycle. Export sample reports, and validate admin and manager workflows. Finally, speak with customer references in your size and geography. In summary, HiBob is a modern HRIS emphasizing employee experience, streamlined operations, and steady product evolution. It is especially well-suited to fast-growing, globally distributed teams that value adoption, flexibility, and integrations over heavy AI packaging or monolithic HCM complexity. If that sounds like your organization, add HiBob to your shortlist, run a structured evaluation, and compare it head-to-head with BambooHR, Rippling, Personio, and a payroll-centric option to confirm the best balance of features, cost, and scalability for your next stage of growth.